guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Keeping fit and eating healthy with Philomena. Today, this video I'm going to make today is going to benefit those of us that live abroad, because we always find it difficult to eat real pounded yam. All we eat is powder and powder. It's only God that knows what is in that powder that we eat as pounded yam. I have my yam here already peeled. When the season of yam is out, during yam season, I can buy it in bulk, peel them, cut them, tie them in a little bag, and I frozen them. This is coming out from the freezer, but it's a fresh yam that I peeled and frozen them myself, so that I can never run out of fresh yam. I don't eat pounded yam up to now. For the past 3 months I haven't eaten pounded yam, but I still make pounded yam for my family, for my husband and my children. I'm going to be doing pounded yam for them today. I am not eating from it, but we still have a family who still eat things like this, and if you're giving it to them, you know what you're giving to them. I have my yam already peeled, as I said, and I have my Ninja blender ready. But I will come back to us. I will explain more of this to us when the yam is cooked. For now, I'm going to put the yam on the fire and cook it. Stay tuned.
When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli. You know the money you take up police. Me I dey love you gone.
2 hours later.
Back. The yam is ready. It's cooked, and we're going to be doing pounded yam, not powdered one. My Ninja blender is ready. It's a multi-purpose blender. It has 2 big jugs. This is the smaller one out of the 2 big jugs. It has another 2 smaller jugs, which is for smoothies. Today for the pounded yam, we'll be using the smaller, as in I would say the middle size of the jug. And this jug had 2 blades. It had another blade with a normal blade, and this one is a plastic one. So the plastic one is the one that make pounded yam. So watch out.
You go shake your body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli. Mo gbona feli. You know the money you take up police. Me I dey love you gone.
Pounded yam is ready. Naturally made by you. No powder. You know what you're eating. You're giving pounded yam to your husband. You know that your husband is eating pounded yam, not powder, which you don't know what is mixed up with. Stay tuned. I'll still be doing more yam in here, and I'm going to make another one.
When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli, mo gbona feli. You know the money you take up police. Me I dey love you gone. As I dey sing, they feel the pulse. Look at the people jump around. Make you dey listen well, because I know if you shout.
More yam in here, and I'm going to make another one.
When the bed do they enter body, all the girl them go shake their body, they go shake their body. Oluwa bona mo gbona feli. You know the money you take up police. Me they love you gone.
That's pounded yam. That's another one ready. I'm giving it to the children just as I'm doing it. I don't want it to get cold before they eat it. The house is full. I have my sister and her children here. I'm giving it to them just as I'm making it. I have made pounded yam for 7 people with this wonderful Ninja blender. As I have always said on my videos, knowledge is power. You cannot know it all except you are told or shown how it works. I did not wake up one morning to know about Ninja blender by myself. I've got a friend who was using it. She talked about how it's good, can blend beans, a lot of beans, and without having any problem. And I went into a shop and I got one for myself. And I will tell you where I always said knowledge is power, that you cannot know it all. You might even have that thing with you. You don't know the function of it. This particular friend of mine have this Ninja blender for over 2 years. She never knew that she can make pounded yam with it until I bought the blender. When I made the first pounded yam with her with the blender, I called her because it came out very well. She told me about Ninja blender. That's why I have it. I had it in my mind for a very long time because I still have my old blender. I was waiting for that one to stop working so I can go for Ninja. So I called her and I said, do you know that you can make pounded yam with the Ninja blender? And she said, oh, Sister Philomena, you're here again. Who told you that? I said, yes. I asked her about the blade and I took the picture and I sent it to her on WhatsApp. And I said, go and check in your box in the carton of the Ninja blender if you have this. And she checked and snapped it and sent it back to me and said, yes, I have it. And I asked her, have you ever used this blade since you bought the Ninja blender? And she said, no, I've used it for almost more than 2 years now. Since I bought this blender, this blade has remained inside the carton, inside the box, because I don't know what it's used for. And I told her, go and get yourself a fresh yam and make pounded yam for your husband. And she did. And she called me and said, oh boy, see pounded yam. She was so excited. If she hasn't told me about the blender, I would have not known that Ninja blender is good. She told me about it, but she have it. She didn't know that she can do something else apart from tomatoes and beans and things that we blend with it. And I brought that back to her. All thanks to her, she told me about Ninja blender, but I know she'll be grateful to me as well for letting her know that it has other function that you can use it for. So what am I trying to say? Whatever you know how to do, whatever that benefits you, do not keep it to yourself only. Share your experience, share your knowledge with others so that they will also benefit from it. I've come to the end of my today's kitchen, food-wise. I will leave the link of the Ninja blender on the description below if you want to buy it, so you can go for it. It's a multi-purpose blender. It's expensive, but it's worth it. Get one for yourself. Please if you have enjoyed my today's video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also to click a like, give me a thumbs up, and also put on the notification bell so you will be the first to know whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I hope you've gained more knowledge from me today. Stay tuned and I will come back to you very soon. Bye for now.